So in conclusion, S10, S21, virtually the same, virtually identical performance-wise. Same amount of built-in memory, 128GB. Same amount of RAM, 8GB. Same user experience. Apps just load up the same. Maybe the S21 was slightly better booting up. Very little in it. Screen size 6.2, 6.1. They look virtually the same. No difference. Cameras on the back, slightly better, 64 megapixel camera. Virtually the same setup. Plastic back, glass back, built-in micro SD card slot. You can expand the memory. I had 128GB extra in it. You could put a 256 in there. I'm sure you can probably go a little bit more. I don't know. The other thing is you don't get a charger with that. You don't get earbuds with it. With this S10, you get a charger. You get a nice set of, is it AKG earbuds in there, all thrown in. You get a 3.5mm audio out socket on this. Not there. Yeah, they're on the bottom left, look. So the speakers on this are really, really good. You can stand that up and play music and what have you, and the sound quality on that is incredible. This is just USB-C. That's the only connection on the whole phone, nothing else. There's no 3.5mm audio jack anywhere, nothing on the top. You've actually got less buttons. You've got a volume rocker and a Bixby button, which I'm hoping I can configure to a power button. On this, you've got the volume rocker on that side. You've got your Bixby button there, and no, sorry, I'm wrong. You've got your volume rocker there, you've got your Bixby button there, and then you've got your power button on that side. So 4G phone, 5G phone, that was the other difference. That's the conclusion. The other thing for me was the sensors on the back, the heart rate and the blood oxygen sensor, which I use quite a lot during my workouts. This doesn't have that at all. So that's the conclusion.